Welcome to ClearTask. In this tutorial, you will learn how to easily zoom in and out on your PC screen using a built-in Windows feature. You do not need to install any additional software. To zoom in on your screen, locate the Windows key and the plus key on your keyboard. Press and hold the Windows key, then press the plus key. This action instantly activates the Windows Magnifier and zooms in on your current view. If you need to look closer, keep holding the Windows key and press the plus key again to increase the magnification level. When the magnifier is active, you will notice a small toolbar on your screen. You can use your mouse to click the plus or minus symbols on this toolbar to adjust your zoom smoothly. To zoom out using your keyboard, press and hold the Windows key, then press the minus key until you reach your desired view. When you are completely finished and want to close the magnifier tool, simply press the Windows key and the escape key at the same time. Your screen will instantly return to its default size. Thank you for watching ClearTask. Subscribe for more direct and professional software tutorials.